Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Channels of Machinery. On this organic farm, pigs are raised in a way that prioritizes their well-being, comfort, and natural behavior, creating a sustainable and clean environment. The farm's pig housing varies to meet seasonal needs. Climate-controlled pens and straw igloos keep pigs cozy, with straw providing insulation. During hot weather, curtains and spraying systems maintain a comfortable temperature. Feed is available at all times, letting pigs eat according to their natural rhythm, promoting a stress-free lifestyle. Piglets start in small spaces for 10 to 12 weeks before moving to larger pens, where they can roam until reaching market weight. Some sections are fully air-conditioned with automated feeding systems to ensure efficiency and minimize labor. The focus on sustainability and reduced energy use, along with air and cleanliness management, supports pig health, comfort, and the quality of the environment. A key aspect of this organic approach is the commitment to clean, healthy nutrition, with no growth hormones or antibiotics used. Bananas are introduced into the diet as pigs mature, adding essential nutrients and enhancing meat flavor. By raising pigs in a natural, nutrient-rich setting, the farm not only protects animal health, but also produces high-quality, safe, and flavorful meat for consumers. This method reflects a balance of animal welfare, environmental consciousness, and product quality, aligning with the farm's values and dedication to organic practices. This organic pig raising method offers a clean, sustainable, and efficient way to raise healthy pigs while providing consumers with responsibly produced meat. Disinfection. At the entrance to the company premises, all cars undergo treatment when passing the disinfecting barrier filled with Spencial disinfectant solution. Every day, from the own pig farm, 250 to 300 pigs in live weight arrive to the factory. Veterinary control. Each carcass undergoes thorough veterinary control by the State Veterinary Service, which is evidenced by presence of individual mark on each of them. Deboning shop. Each carcass undergoes thorough veterinary control, which is evidenced by presence of individual mark on each of them. After slaughter, chilled half carcasses are delivered to deboning and trimming section. Raw materials supplied to deboning shop. Deboning. Trimming and distribution of meat by grades with detachment of delicacy group. Separation of skin from fat on skinning machine. Trimmed raw materials supplied to cooling chambers. For some kinds of sausage, in particular, salami, sub-frozen raw materials are used according to their formulations. Fresh ma equals eat is frozen at temperature of 21 degree in accelerated cooling chamber. Provision of ice for sausage production using ice generator. Chopping. Chopped meat is mincing of meat raw materials using meat chopper. Chopping. Chopped meat is mixed with clearly measured amount of ice, according to the technology. In the course of chopping of meat, at cuter totation rate of 5,000 rev per minute, chopped mat is heated vigorously, which may cause deterioration of sausage quality. For reducing the temperature, clearly defined amount of ice is added to the chopped meat. Chopping. Natural spices and salt are added to the chopped meat. All mass is thoughtfully grouped and mixed under vacuum. As a receipt, chopped meat for sausages received. Ready chopped meat is delivered to sausage product stuffer. Allen uses high-technology equipped EMT from leading manufacturers of the world. For the final chopping of cut meat and its mixing with the other necessary components, Kramer Grieber vacuum cutter, Swinsland, is used. Polyclip. Chopped meat for sausages is stuffed into polyamide skin fox, making cooked sausage. Frankfurter line. Frankfurter line with fully automated process of stuffing and forming of Frankfurter products. Hand forming of sausage products in the natural skin. Delivery of chopped meat to Polyclip into stuffer to form linked raw SMKED sausage. Delicacy section. Tying of ballocks for their hanging on frames where they will undergo heat treatment Fufther. Heat treatment, cooking and smoking. Entire heat treatment process takes place in closed cooking chambers. Thermal process is fully automated one. Temperature in the chamber and in the finished product is controlled by the computer, which excludes failures in the technological processes. Rohr smoking. Natural alder and sweet cherry wood chip is used only. Water spraying. After heat treatment, sausage products undergo water spraying in order to reduce the temperature of product supply for increasing its SHLF life. Raw smoked product section. Climatic chamber where raw smoked sausages are cured during 25 to 30 days. The automated process is used with the control of temperature, humidity, and airflow in the chamber. Packing section. Products are prepared for packing into various shapes at temperature of 6°C at the packing section. Packing section. All packing process is carried out on thermoforming line made by Ulma. Packing of frankfurters in the modified gaseous environment and labeling. Packing section. Process of product vacuum treatment. Packing of cooked sausage and frankfurters into vacuum package. Packing section. Short sausages are packed in the gaseous environment. Handover of finished products. Storage B4O packing. Production capacity. The factory allows to produce 15.000 tons of meat and sausage products per year. Preparation of packed products for thermo-check application. Labeling section. Packed products are provided with thermo-checks with full characteristics of the product: name, composition, date of manufacture, period, and conditions of storage. In recent years, a guinea pig farming project has seen remarkable transformation through technology and technical support. Originally small-scale, focused on home consumption, the farm now operates as a thriving business with more than triple the number of breeding guinea pigs. Initially relying on outside help, the farm now stands independently, benefiting from advanced training in animal health and modern farming practices. This growth has brought economic benefits to the farmer, allowing her to support her family, educate her children, and even expand into tourism. Today, the farm is a model of success, bringing added value to the agricultural sector and serving as an inspiring example of sustainable rural entrepreneurship. Sheep care equipment by ProWay Sheepyards. ProWay Sheepyards provides top-quality, custom-designed sheepyards and shearing sheds tailored to meet the demands of modern sheep care and farm management. Each ProWay yard is built with durability, efficiency, and the well-being of your flock in mind. Their sheep care equipment is crafted to handle high volumes, minimize stress on animals, and streamline routine tasks like shearing, drenching, and foot trimming. ProWay offers flexibility to suit a range of farm sizes and layouts, ensuring your facility maximizes space and functionality. The equipment integrates advanced features to improve safety for both handlers and livestock, promoting a more humane and productive environment. ProWay's products are not only an investment in equipment, but in the long-term welfare of your sheep and the efficiency of your operations, giving farmers peace of mind and dependable results. Sheep handling can be labor-intensive, but the WOPA Sheep Turning Crate SAW 0090 offers a solution designed to simplify and improve sheep care. This high-quality, durable crate is specifically engineered to help farmers and animal handlers efficiently manage their sheep's health and well-being. The WOPA SA0090 crate gently yet securely turns sheep onto their side, allowing for easy access to their hooves and underbelly. This minimizes stress on the animal and reduces strain on the handler, especially for tasks like hoof trimming, administering medication, and general health checks. The crate's robust build and ergonomic design ensure both safety and comfort for the sheep and handler. During a demo, you'll see firsthand how the crate's user-friendly mechanisms streamline tasks that would otherwise be cumbersome. Whether managing a small flock or a large herd, the WOPA Sheep Turning Crate SA0090 is an excellent investment for maintaining a productive and humane sheep care routine.